Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency ahead of powerful winter storms not seen in California in years. Good evening. This is the KTLA 5 News at 5:30. I'm Cher Calvin.
And I'm Pedro Rivera. Governor Gavin Newsom is warning of widespread flooding, mudslides, and power outages as the storms pound California. The State Operations Center is now at its highest level, which coordinates the response to natural disasters. And in other words, it is all hands on deck.
We anticipate that this may be one of the most challenging and impactful series of storms to touch down in California in the last 5 years. We're currently experiencing the second of a series of storms that may continue for the next 7 to 10 days.
State officials are urging residents to have a family emergency plan, check on family members and neighbors, and if told to evacuate, do so immediately.
Let's check in with one of the hardest working women today in all of the industry, meteorologist Vera Jimenez, with a closer look at this forecast. Vera.
Oh, this forecast is very exciting. We've been gearing up for it for days now. This storm has been brewing over the Pacific Ocean, out of the Pacific Northwest to be exact, and so it is arriving. In fact, it's already here for the most part. Santa Barbara, I'll show you in just a second, is already getting some rain. But first, let's go ahead and take a look outside. This is our Big Bear camera where you can see it is looking quite lovely there. Here's what it looks like here locally. So we are starting to see now some light showers, heavy drizzle in parts, but as we head to the north, here is what it looks like from Vallejo to San Francisco, San Jose, Santa Cruz, Monterey. These brighter colors, the oranges, the yellows, the reds, this indicates that we are seeing some heavy rain. Now, are we going to get a big heavy rains? It is going to be on and off depending on where you are. Like the south facing slopes are actually going to see much stronger rain. There you are going to see at least ½ an inch of rain per hour, perhaps maybe more. We're also looking at really strong accumulations up against those foothills in our mountain communities. Could see as much as 8 inches of rain, and this is going to be heavy downpours at times, but I would say like at about maybe 7 o'clock, some of those downpours will start to diminish. We'll take a look at that 7-day forecast for you coming up shortly. For now, I'll send it back to you guys.
Vera, thank you. A yellow alert has been issued for communities in the fish fire burn area. Residents are being asked to take full precautions as wicked weather continues to batter Southern California. About 24 homes in Duarte are very susceptible to mudslides and debris flow.
The last storm, for example, on New Year's Eve, we got about ½ an inch per hour rain rates for only 1 hour. This storm, we're predicting anywhere between 4 to 8 hours of a ½ an inch to 1 inch per hour rain rate. You got to take into account that we already have had rain, so the soil is already saturated.
Debris from people living in the Mel Canyon Road area to Brook Ridge Road to Fish Canyon Road. They are all urged to follow the city's protocols. That includes rain-related parking restrictions on streets and keeping trash bins off of streets until Friday morning. And remember, you can always track our local storms in real time with our interactive radar. See what's coming our way, get the rain totals, your forecast, and much more. Just head to our website, ktla.com.